Avant Premiere película Lazos de vida.
You have a wonderful time.
Get out. My son is trying to get in. Did you speak to Martin?
I did. Turns out he's not going to be there. He's escorting some refugees out of the country and then he's heading back home to London.
Nicky.
Look, I have to do something. And you, of all people, should understand that. Isn't that what you taught me? Well, I can't just sit here reading about it. These people need help.
I was never in doubt that the cause was just. Only whether Prague is safe.
It's only a week. I'll be back before you...